So this is our pile of palm tree branches from Hurricane Grace. We had them take them down. They're broken. This whole big, huge pile here. Actually, quite a few. And the hurricane was about an hour and a half south of us by a car. And so it wasn't really even close. We barely got any rain. It did get windy, though. It was pretty windy. So that's what happens. Really, the house is made out of concrete. So, it with really great, glass windows, and they don't really have a problem unless it gets super bad, in which case we'd board up and leave town. But when it's, an hour and a half away, no, it's fine. And that's our cleanup from the hurricane. These are some of the shells that we collected recently when we go on our beach walks. Especially after a storm, they're pretty good selection of shells. It's a little bit breeze out. That's our neighbor's fishing boat right there, and that's the Gulf of Mexico. I like coming here to the Palapa, to our little Palapa here to enjoy the view. Yeah, a little bit protected. It's very lovely, especially once all the construction people are gone. They've been here every day, except for Sundays, of course, and trying to get the pool done and all the other projects going. Right now we're looking at doing a generator, because the one that came with it, we can't get it to work. So we're looking at a generator, and we're going to compare the cost of that with a solar system with a house battery, so that maybe, which one particularly better here at the beach. So we got a bid in on the generator, and we have a solar guy refer to us that is going to get us back on how much. We use a lot of electricity, so we know that. And it does get hot here, so we use air conditioner all the time, almost, in the summer. So we're looking at, using a lot of electricity. So we need a system that can keep up with that. It's got to be affordable. We have stayed in a house once for a month, nearby actually, that had solar, and our electric bill was $5 a month, which is incredible because electricity cost here in Mexico is like California pricing. It's expensive. So a lot of people, especially more of the locals, don't use air conditioning at all, because that just uses a tremendous amount of energy, and they only have for lights. Well, that you can get down to, even without solar, to $5 a month. But yeah, if you're using air conditioning, you're using a lot of energy. So we're going to see what that comes out to be, and compare and figure out what works best for us, because here we've had a lot of power outages, way more than anywhere else we lived in Mexico. Lived here for 5 years. I mentioned this before, and occasionally had a power outage here 3 times a day, sometimes only once today, but it happens way more than we've ever expected. We're a little bit off the beaten path. We're an hour away from Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. And so maybe it has something to do with that, because living in Merida, living in Playa del Carmen, and anywhere in Quintana Roo, honestly, we've only had a couple of power outages. And in Merida, I don't think we ever had one, actually, but here we have. So we're pricing that right now to see what's really kind of what we want it to do at first. It may eventually have both. I don't quite understand that, but we got a couple of experts that are going to give us both options so we can pick. So if you're interested in more of this, make sure you like and comment on this video. Got any questions, leave it as a comment. I'm glad to answer anything on doing a home renovation in Mexico, especially on the beach. And you want more of this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. You know exactly when I come out with a new video. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.